Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 3, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring up your boot options, and you can just swipe down to turn off the device. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time, and when you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, you want to let go of the power button. So I just let go of the power button. I'm still holding volume down. And once you see the language selection, you can let go of the volume down as well, and then tap on your desired language, and we have now our recovery mode visible. Now here we technically have only one option, which is format data, just a simple full wipe of the device, factory reset. And then below that we have two different methods of leaving this mode. So I'm gonna now select reboot device, okay, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.